Hi, thanks for coming to my channel. I'm your Everyday Joe. In today's video, I'm going to be making my version of breaded onion rings in a power air fry oven, so stay tuned. We appreciate you watching this video. If you want to show support to this channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. And to stay up to date on new content, when we release it, ring the notification bell. You can also visit us on our website or look for us on social networks. Now let's get into the video. Okay, thanks for coming back. So basically all we're going to need is a large onion. I'm going to be using some Italian breadcrumbs that I've seasoned with salt and pepper, and a little bit of Old Bay. Same thing with a couple of eggs with a little bit of water to kind of thin it out a little bit. And some cornstarch, again seasoned with Old Bay and a little salt and pepper. Okay, we're just going to cut this onion. We take the skin off. Okay, take the back end and the front end. Okay, and just peel that skin off. It is a pretty quick recipe. Should go pretty quick in the air fryer oven also. Okay. So I'm going to cut these in 1/2 inch rings. So like that. There. And I'll probably just leave that as is. And then we're just going to separate all the rings. Okay, and I like to take this little veil off. So. Okay. And you just pop from the center, pop them right out, just like that. Okay, just about done. Okay, and these larger pieces, or these small pieces here, these end pieces, you can just chop up, throw them into a soup or something like that. I've got a cookie sheet here that I'm going to be breading these up, put them on the cookie sheet, layer in here, and then put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes to a 1/2 hour so they get kind of hard in there, and it helps bind everything together before we put it in the power air fry oven so they don't kind of fall apart and get all mushy in the power air fry oven while they're cooking. So let's get started here. So I'm just gonna dip them into the cornstarch and tap them out a little bit. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to do a couple for you here. Okay, and then I'm going to get them all set for you. I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. So this, get it into the egg. So you're going to go cornstarch, egg, breadcrumbs. And I've also added added some grated cheese to the breadcrumbs because I want them to be nice and flavorful with Parmesan cheese. Okay, so just gonna get it all filled in. Okay, and I'm gonna do a double egg dip here, just so I get extra breadcrumbs on it. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna go right to the tray here. So I'll do another one here. Okay, so egg, breadcrumbs. Now you can do this in a Ziploc bag, probably be a little easier here, but this is more just to show the steps. Go back into the egg, back into the breadcrumbs, and this will give it a nice thick crust on it. Okay. And that's that. I'm going to finish making all the rest of these. I'm going to put them in the freezer again for about 15-20 minutes, 1/2 hour at the most. When I pull them out and put them on the cooking rack, I'll show you what they look like. Okay, I just took these out of the freezer. It's been in there about 30 minutes, 45 minutes or so. So they're nice and hard, so they should hold up pretty well. So I've pre-sprayed the racks. I'm probably going to need 2 racks here. Okay,
And we're going to lay these across. Okay. Want to make sure you leave enough space so that the air passes through. So now I've got them on the rack. I'm going to put them in the air fry oven. If you're going to be doing this in your oven, you're probably going to leave them on the tray here and cook it at 400, 450, really hot for about 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm going to put these in at about 350 degrees for about 15 minutes was what I actually ran it at. Okay, they came out. 7 minutes into it, I rotated the racks from top to bottom and bottom to top. But as you can see, they came out real good, real crispy. They have a nice shell on them. Now you can use a ketchup or a marinara, it's up to you. I'm going to have it just plain here. So you can see it stays together. Good flavor. It maintained its shape and again, good flavor. Another little tip is make sure to spray the tops with some cooking spray or some oil, just so it gives it a nice crust, keeps it nice and crispy for you. So if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. If you've already subscribed, add a comment if you like. Give me a thumbs up and share it if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video.